So you purchased it for $1 million.
Mm-hmm.
You sold it for
2.3. Yep.
So you made a $1.3 million profit.
Yes. So we ended up selling that park. We got it in July of 2020. We ended up selling that one in November of 2021. We ended up selling it. We ended up selling it for $2.3 million. So after the pandemic, what happened was the mobile home park space was one of the best asset classes in real estate as far as collecting full rent roll, because it's affordable housing. So people were still paying their rent. And so it made it very attractive, very attractive. So now you saw larger players, the Blackstones, the Northwestern Mutuals, these large institutions are starting to come into the play. Like, whoa, hold on, like these cash flowing, these some decent assets. So now larger players. So now you have, investors like us and, other investors like, hold on, I think we could put it on top dollar now, because even still to this day right now, like mobile home parks, it just, the prices went up 100% just because of the cash flow. And so just with that, it was just a hot time to sell, and we ended up putting it on the market. And we actually had some issues kind of getting houses filled, with the whole the rent moratorium and things like that. We had a few tenants not paying and things, but we were still, you talking about, able to double our profit.